Since 1968, Horton Emergency Vehicles has led the industry in safety. And here we go again.
Hey, this is Pete Laake with FESCO, and my partner here, Rick Breed. We're really excited today with what Horton and Emmy are bringing to the table. Rick, you remember back in 2008?
Absolutely.
I think it was your first FDIC, and the Horton HOPS system was rolled out, and what a splash and introduction that was. We can't wait to show this to you, our customers. Rick?
I mean, MBrace is just a game changer. It takes the technology we already had with HOPS, and it just goes to the next level. We add frontal protection as well as the new airbags. This is just an amazing new innovation for our industry.
And we're excited for the next number of years that once again puts Horton at the forefront as an industry leader in safety and the protection of our customers. That's you. So we can't wait to show it to you and have a lot to talk about.
Introducing MBrace, Advanced Airbag Safety by Emmy. No one has it, not even close. HOPS featuring MBrace, and it's available only on Horton Emergency Vehicles.
Let's go.